Hello everyone, how to insert checkbox in Excel. So let's start the first, open your Excel sheet and go to the developer tab. And if you don't see developer tab in your Excel, then go to the file tab, then click on the last option and here the Excel option dialog box is open. In left hand side, just click on the customize ribbon and here in main tabs you can see developer tab. Okay, just click on the checkbox and click on OK to add developer tab in your Excel. Here you can see now developer tab is added. To insert checkbox, select the cell, go to the developer tabs. In controls group, click on the insert option and here in form controls, click on the third option checkbox. And here you can see that in my cursor, the plus sign is showing. Just drag and draw your checkbox. And here you can see the checkbox is inserted. Then select the cell, use the Control C and select the other cell and Control V to paste the checkbox in other cell. And just click on the checkbox and you can use here, check your data. So that's it. This is a way you can insert checkbox.